just gonna put it on there. Stand up.
Yeah, I'm standing. Okay.
Stand up.
So do that. Just like that.
So get him a little higher. Chuck up on his skull.
Yeah. That got a pretty good eye protection. Pop in on him. Good boy. Right,
One more.
there it goes.
One more.
And then one more there. Good. Okay, turn his palm forward and same thing. Yeah. There. Felt the shift. You feel it too?
Yeah.
I was wondering if you guys pulling can feel it when it goes too.
Yeah.
There. Good. Alright. So sit here again. More activation? And pull across. That strength difference. You know that?
Yeah.
It's throwing me around now. Alright. So, reach back like that. You didn't bring needles with you today. Alright, turn it that way. And then keep reaching back with the arm. Keep reaching back with it. You're really trying to stretch your chest out. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There it is. Keep going. Very nice. Keep going. Good. Palm up. And we'll hold again. Nice. Access to the power that you have. Yeah. Watch resist him on that now? He's gonna tell me. Is it? Because his pec can actually fire, so it's like. Oh, shit.
Oh, it's active.
No more space there now. Alright, let's take this hand right here. And so go in and out like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna hook right there. Keep moving. It's not terrible. Yeah, it's not bad.
This is the painful one,
It's not
right?
bad. On him, it's not that bad. Most people have really
Yeah.
bad trigger points right there. But you get massages?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Serratus is kind of bad. Nobody's getting that one on him.
I saw a lot of video like that, like those things.
It's a rough spot, man. I don't usually get that one very good.
Laughing, crying.
You should see Eddie this morning.
Yeah.
Trying to break my finger. Can't break these fingers. You train your 2 fingers, man? You watch the actor video?
Yeah.
It's funny. There we go. Alright. Very nice. Yeah. Another squeeze tight there. How's that feel? More activation there?
Yeah.
Tight there.
Yeah.
There's a there's a little trap along the tricep. Okay. So long. And you're not treating the long hand, you're getting the lat and the teres. Or they overlap over it. Gotcha. So it's not a nerve issue there, it's they're pinching it so it can't activate. There it goes. There we go. Yeah. Oh, these lats are so big, there's different layers to it. Alright. So let's pull this over your head like that, and then go ahead and push up. What do you think? Any better there?
Yeah, I do feel the tactile. Yeah, this one.
Yeah. So, there. Back up here again. Push again. Not there.
Yeah.
And that one? One, a little bit two, mostly one. Which on a normal person, you wouldn't see this pattern because the scapula would have rolled, but he's so strong here, he doesn't have the scapula rolling on his pinched shoulder side. It's not your normal combo necessarily, but he's not a normal guy, so. Yeah. How about that? Yeah, that feels better than this. Alright, instruction. You're laying back. You know what you're getting into? You seen this one?
No, he didn't. I didn't tell him also.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Alright, we're going 2-on-1 here. So he's going to hold you, I'm going to pull you, it's going to decompress your spine. Let me see. Try to let go. That's going to be easy. Oh! All of it. That's good. He said, what the hell is that? He's like, oh.
Give me
Knockout.
Give me blanket.
Good night. This one's right there. Nice. Alright, let's stand up. Just walk around a little bit, see how that feels so far. Should feel. What did I expect? This whole pelvis is tilted that way, that's why. Feel right here, cross. Feel that right. PSI desire. So that's why when we twist it, we're actually just getting him to straight. Twist it. So, his whole pelvis is this way. So this is actually going to be easier than I thought, I think. This way. Pelvis. Okay. Do this one again.
What about it?
Better. Okay, left side. Closer. Okay, here again.